Hey guys, Nicky here from Harley-Davidson Dubai and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I've got a scenario here for you. You're a new rider, you're a beginner rider, you're thinking of buying a bike but you're not really sure what to buy. So today I'm going to show you the process of choosing the right bike that works for you, what you need to do and what you need to know. So before we get into the fun part of showing you the different bikes, we need to get into the boring part. And this is what you need to do before you can purchase a bike. And there's a couple of steps that we need to follow and then we can get to the bike purchasing. So step one is you got to have a license. So in the UAE it can take anything between 2 and 3 months to get your license. So the license is quite a process. You first need to do your rider trainings, you need to register for the license, and then you need to do your different tests. There's a theory test, there's a parking test, and there's on the road test. So you've got to get your license first. So it's important to get your license because there's a lot of times where people get on their bikes without licenses, and without the license they didn't do the training and things can go really wrong when you haven't had the real beginner training that you need to ride a bike. So after getting your license you can move to step 2. So step 2 is getting your bike insured. Insurance is very important, especially on the roads of the UAE. You get 2 different insurances. You get a third-party insurance which covers the guy that you drive into, and then you get a full comprehensive insurance which covers you, your passenger, your bike, the person that's driven into you or where you crashed. It's very, very important to get the insurance just to know that you're covered on the roads of the UAE. So after getting your license, after getting your bike insured, your third and final step is getting your bike registered to be a legal bike owner on the roads of the UAE. If you don't do it, the cops will come and get you. Now that the boring part's over, you've gotten your license, you've insured your bike and you've registered your bike. Now let's get into the bikes and I'll show you my first personal pick as a beginner rider. The 2023 Harley-Davidson Nightster 975cc. I choose this bike because it's light, it's small, very easy to ride. It's not a very powerful engine, 89 horsepower, so very easy to control. It will give you confidence from the get-go. And my second choice, which is a personal favorite, is the 2023 Harley-Davidson Sportster S. It's a 1250cc engine that packs 121 horsepower. I know it sounds like a lot and it is a little hooligan bike, but it's got riding modes, so that means you can actually adjust this bike or set it up exactly to your personality and what you need a bike to do. It's light, also easy and nimble to ride, so for me this is number 2. The third and final pick, which will surprise a lot of people, but it's a Harley-Davidson Softail Fat Bob. So there's a whole thing about the beginner bike needs to be a Sportster, which is not true. If you can get the correct training from the start and people that show you how to ride and how to handle a bike, you can actually start on a Softail bike. The handle just as easy as Sportsters is, if not easier. It's got a nice 114 smooth big engine and it's just a breeze to ride. So my pick for number 3 bike, beginner bike, Harley-Davidson Fat Bob. So there you have it. If you're planning to get a bike or you're new to the Harley-Davidson family, use the tips and tricks that I showed you in this video and get yourself the perfect bike just for you. So if you like this video, leave a comment, like, subscribe, and this has been Nicky from Harley-Davidson Dubai, and thanks for watching.